Ó ti wá di real báyìí o. Wọ́n ní Nigeria máa pín ní 18th of January sí 20th of January. This pastor is saying Nigeria will divide. But what are the things that is pushing Nigeria to divide? If you can listen to Dele Farotimi here, he's saying Nigeria can divide because there's a lot of things that is not in place. It's a failed state. They fail to protect their citizens. They fail to provide for the citizen as well. Shoje ko ma lọ báyìí. Dele Farotimi ti pariwo síta o. Wọ́n ní àwọn ọba wa gan tó yẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀ wọn lè sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn ìjòyè tó yẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀ wọn lè sọ̀rọ̀. Irọ́ ni Nàìjíríà ti ń pa láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ wá. Òun ni arákùnrin yìí náà ń sọ. Then pastor iná tí wàá ti sọ láti 2013 ni pastor yìí ti ń jíṣẹ́ pé kidnapping máa pọ̀ sí. Kidnapping gan nísìn tó tún wá ti multiple ti di times 10 because this pastor have been saying since 2013 that there's going to be a lot of insecurity in Nigeria. There's going to be a lot of kidnapping. But finally now, he has now finally burst the bubble and says Nigeria will divide on the 18th of January, between 18 and 21 of January. So let's keep our fingers crossed and let's listen to Dele Farotimi first. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Whenever you subscribe, then you'll be notified for our new videos. Please let's listen to Dele Farotimi.
What are the lies, I should say, that Nigeria has told itself? Nigeria has never sought to build a country of citizens. That is the fundamental lie that has attended the birth of Nigeria. That is the lie that led to the civil war, and that is the lie that has birthed all the madness that you see today. We have continued to lie to ourselves in spite of the glaring truth that in the place of a nation, we have built a feudal state that has no respect for citizens, has no accommodation for the rule of law, and has battered multiple monsters in the place of a country. Who are the bandits? The bandits, the word we use, bandits, these are essentially persons whom the lying system must grant the powers of impunity to, because power of impunity in Nigeria was originally licensed.
Pray against 18th January. If Nigeria, Plateau, Lagos did not divide, to God be the glory. 18th, all this January, December, nothing that. The way the other one die, then cover them. Now so they humiliate this one, take and the one cover them. The Northerners expose everything. I talk in parable. You ask yourself, everything about my life, I prepared it. Why am I building here, buying rice? Anything I talk, sir. Men of God watching me are numerous. They are waiting to hear. No. They say they don't know me in a lie. They know me. I'm the only man in the whole. If you say you are a pastor and God did not reveal for you what will happen in your country, I'm the only man that said the president nowhere to be found. 31st night. Telling you that after they will say this, they will say, and they will bring him, and after they will say he traveled, and they will say, hey. What will happen this January? I've a map, everything is God showed like this in my hand. That's why when I look at some things, I will laugh. I will laugh. Have you asked yourself, since Rita Bai slowed down in prophecy, have you been hearing again? That first the people say, the Lord say, the Lord say, the Lord say. But this 31st night, I will speak to you, the Lord say. Number 6, nowhere to be found. I said, Nigeria. I laugh. I see the man being elected, running away from the reason of his election, and many couldn't find him. There are many things This kidnapping SS was prophesied long before now.
So be careful the way you go across.
I will tell you everything how things will happen on the 18th and 21st January. What will happen? How this insurgent security will end. How all these kidnapping, you will not hear it again. No. No. They know what they are doing. Very soon now you will see all these governments, military people buying big car, military people buying no more big car. All these things will, all this. I told you. All these things, all your foodstuffs, where you go up, na lie, everything. I told you long ago. I will tell you everything. By March, they will say, okay. They will talk some more. They will do this thing, a lot of things. I will tell you everything at the first night. I will tell you. After the election, 2027, 2028, 2029, and I will not tell you that word, Biafra will come through the Westerners. That is when you will see a written agreement between the leader and Nnamdi Kanu. This thing is in written. All this is happening. You see this thing, but all this is see. Sokoto prison, this is a planned deal. Then, to cover up, not to jail me, to cover up, not to intimidate me, to cover up, not to give to the Northerners again. Now, let's all fight for everyone to stay state, country. And the same we will be deceived. They will say, go. We will now raise fight again. They will face us. Then they will now share the Westerners. I will tell you you see, that's why you see, do you see me move? When you see people are talking, I'll be.
Gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín, iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà, ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì, arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì. Olúwa ló fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ́ ń là kọjá yín òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, lórí ọmọ ni, lórí iṣẹ́ ni, níbi gbogbo ni, bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le, ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa, kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ, òun náà ni +234 7025 475427 +234 7025 475427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu.